Hey there, Tesla fans and investors. Today we're diving into some major news. Tesla just issued a huge recall on its Cybertruck, and the stock is still far from its all-time high. So, is it a buying opportunity or a sign to be cautious? Stick around and we'll break it all down. Also, we'll revisit our previous fair value analysis of Tesla stock and see if it still holds up. But before we get started, if you're looking to stay informed on Tesla and make smart investing decisions, don't forget to like this video and share it with others who could benefit. It helps more people learn and make informed financial choices. Alright, let's jump into the recall news. Cybertruck looks great so far, but a product recall? How has Tesla stock fared? Tesla's recall affects around 46,000 Cybertrucks, and the problem? Roof panels detaching while driving. An issue that obviously raises safety concerns. This is a massive recall for Tesla, especially since the Cybertruck is still in its early stages. Customers may face the hassle of returning their vehicles for fixes, and potential delays in receiving new trucks. Here's the kicker. Tesla has already delivered around 46,000 Cybertrucks, and all of these vehicles are affected. For those lucky enough to already own one, they're now dealing with the hassle of getting their trucks fixed. But let's be honest, this is a very serious issue. It may cause inconvenience to the customers. Tesla customers may be loyal, but facing recalls, especially this soon after launch, doesn't exactly inspire confidence. And what's more, Tesla's brand has been dealing with other headaches, like reports of vandalism targeting Tesla vehicles recently. So, while Tesla fans might brush this off, issues like these can slowly chip away at the brand's image in the eyes of more cautious consumers. Now let's shift gears and talk about Tesla's stock price. As of today, TSLA is sitting around $236, which is still quite a drop from its all-time high of over $400. But let's bring it back to our analysis. If you remember, we previously calculated Tesla's intrinsic value to be $181. Even at today's price, the stock is trading above our fair value estimate. Well, here's where it gets interesting. Despite the stock being above our fair value, some analysts remain highly optimistic. For example, Mizuho Securities recently gave Tesla a price target of $430, and other analysts are setting targets in the $300 to $350 range. That's a pretty bullish outlook. But as smart investors, we need to keep our cool and not get swept up in the excitement. So why be cautious? Let me give you two reasons. Margin of safety. As value investors, we know the importance of building a margin of safety into our investments. Tesla has an incredible growth story, but buying at a price well above our fair value estimate leaves us with little room for error. A margin of safety helps protect us in case of unexpected challenges, like today's recall, or if future growth doesn't meet the high expectations set by analysts. While it's tempting to get excited by bullish price targets like Mizuho's $430, analysts have been wrong before. Sometimes their forecasts are driven by overly aggressive growth assumptions. Tesla faces growing competition in the EV market, and any regulatory hurdles or supply chain issues could slow down the momentum. That's why having your own analysis, like the one we've done today, keeps you grounded in reality. This brings us to a crucial point, why it's so important to have a fair value analysis like the one we've done. By calculating Tesla's intrinsic value at $181, we can make investment decisions based on objective fundamentals, not just rosy analyst projections. Analysts often paint a bright picture, but they don't always get it right. That's why having your own fair value gives you a balanced perspective, helping you avoid buying into the hype. It's all about investing with discipline and making sure there's enough margin of safety in your decisions. So, what's the bottom line? Tesla's recall is a hiccup, but it's not a deal breaker. However, from an investment standpoint, we need to be mindful of where the stock price sits relative to its intrinsic value. Right now, Tesla's trading above that fair value of $181, so patience might pay off. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more analysis like this. And if you want to dive deeper into Tesla's future or other stocks, be sure to check out my previous videos where I cover these topics in detail. Until next time, invest smart.